Hello everyone, this is cryptoacademy.ae. In today's video we are going to talk mainly about Bitcoin. So as we can see on the daily time frame, we came to this level, and I spoke about this in the last time. I said we are in a bearish flag, and always, like most of the time, let's say, or 99% of the time, when we have a bearish flag like this, most likely we are going to continue down. And as we can see, we met our technical target. So if we put 1 point here to here, so and we measure distance, let's say, for example, and we just bring this same distance here, we find our technical target, which is here, where the one we just met. This is the New York exchange opening. So as we can see, some type of relief from here. So we came to this level around 74,600, and now we are at 78. This is not a really important reversal, to be honest with you, since we don't have the enough volume. As you can see here, for example, when we had this volume, when we had this capitulation, always when volume or big volume appears, this could be a reversal point, and as we can see, we hold to these levels. But for now, we cannot say this is a confirmation that we are going to reverse from here, and we continued up. So of course this is a good thing, since we didn't lose this level. As I said in the last time, this level at the 74k on Binance, mostly on Binance, it's 74k. So if we lose this level at 74k, we are going to confirm that we are in a downtrend on the daily, on the weekly, and on the monthly as well. And on the monthly, by the way, Bitcoin doesn't look good, so I don't think we will see some type of relief anytime soon. I don't think we will have some type of V recovery. I hope it will happen and we will have another like impulsive wave from here, but I don't see it, to be honest with you, because so many indicators are saying like this could actually continue to go lower with time, and we will talk about these levels that can go down here. But before that, I just want to show something. Always when you see some type of movement like this, which is overlapping, it's a corrective move, okay? But when we see a move, for example, impulsive to this level, as you can see here, we have seen this impulsive move. This is what gives us hope that the price will reverse higher. So the difference is, this is a corrective move. Even if we are going up, this is corrective because the price is overlapping. And for impulsive move, we just see one push, then a little bit of correction, then another push. So this is the difference, and I wanted to show you this because so many people, when they see price started to go this way, for example, in a corrective move or a corrective way, they think the price will continue higher, but technically it's not. So last time we got rejected from here. I told you about this so many times. I said we will hold here, then we are going to go up to these levels, we are going to reject. Go to the previous video or the video before, I spoke about this in details, and I said I think we will even lower, and it happened. Doesn't mean I'm always right. I have been wrong so many times, and the market will humble everyone who thinks he's always right. Anyway, so probably if we are going to lose this 74k, as I said, we could have some type of retracement later from these levels down here. For example, we are going to go another leg up and we go down. It's always in waves. As you can see, for example, I will show you something here if you pay attention to this. So if we go on the 1 hour time frame, we will see our movement, which is 5 waves down. This is the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and this could be the 5th, or we can go even lower than this one. But so always after 5 waves down, we wait for some type of correction or retracement up to these levels. Actually, we can go as high as 81, 82, 83, especially this level at 84 or 83. This could be a level from where we continue to go down. I'm not just being pessimistic, but I'm just being realistic with you. So another thing is the support zones that we can find in these levels. And if we go back to the daily again, we can see that here, for example, we have our order block from these levels to these levels, which is from 73k to 66k. This is the first one. Of course, there is another one here. there is another order block or a cluster or whatever you want to call it. So there is one trick you can use to know which one is the strongest. So you just go and see the volume. For example, you just go here, fixed range volume. If you don't know, just go to indicators and type fixed range volume here. Okay, you will find this one. Okay, then what you do, it will appear up here. You just grab from down here to up here and it will show you. And as we can see, the most traded area that we can see is at this level here. So could be good support, as we can see. And also there is this one up here. So it's always like you cannot know exactly like at which support it can hold. It can probably reverse at this price, which is 78k, but I think even if we reverse it will be just temporary and it will be just retracement. So this is what I think about Bitcoin. I'm just not being pessimistic, I'm just being realistic. I know so many people have lost their hope, have lost a lot of money in this market, especially when we all thought that there will be a bull market for altcoins or alt season, but it never happened. It will happen eventually, I think, but it will happen probably in a retracement or the next cycle. I don't know, to be honest with you, but this is from the technical perspective, this is what we can say. So about the altcoins, and if we speak in general, if we just go to the crypto fear and greed index, we can see now it's sitting at 15, and whenever this index is between 0 to 20, it shows that the market or the traders or retail investors, retail traders, they are panicking. And usually what happens, something else happens, is we start to go up. It's like the opposite of what people think. I'm not just telling you buy altcoins now. It's a good opportunity. If you want to buy, of course you can do that. It's up to you, your own decision. Just put stop loss and just use DCA. Don't enter with the whole amount. But as I can see now, I'm not seeing a really strong reversal from here. It's just some type of people trying to hold the 74k support zone. And I think in the coming days we will have a clear answer, a clear picture about what's going to happen. For me, for myself, I'm not investing in altcoins. I'm just trying to trade every day, and I just try to find good opportunities to enter and exit the market. That's it. That's what I wanted to talk about. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next one.